What port size? Is that an 8?
It's 10.
10, okay. Nice. Kaos Customz. Alright, I'm ready for a demo. Alright.
Slapping rookies tab. It's DJ Rusticals.
like mid 30 hertz, doesn't it? Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's musical. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I like. That's my teammate over there.
Yeah, I heard his. This is really, yep.
He built the box.
He did? Okay.
And that's what we built it for, to be musical.
Okay.
So like the box tune like 34 hertz.
34 hertz.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Could you tell me what else in here?
Yeah, I can. I got two SK V2 SK 1500s.
Yep.
Strapped together. Cmax Lithium 45 amp power Cmax. And two Skar ZV8 Z1.
Z1. ZV3s or
Skar.
Oh, Skar ZVX. Yeah. Got it. Okay. And have you metered it yet?
Yeah, I metered it at the shop the other night. I did a 148, but it was hot. And
It's hot, yeah. Yes, sir.
we know it got a
It does, yep. Yes, sir. All right.
50 in it. So.
That's right. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yep. What size alternator did you say you had?
320.
320, okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Yes, sir. There you go. Oh. Brand X is a newer brand, if I remember right.
Yeah.
Nice. You like it? And your voltage was good. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I put my whole
Oh,
box.
that's pretty cool.
Put it on the
Here's your Skar in the front. Okay, what vehicle?
2003
Escalade. Nice. Can I see the back again one more time? I appreciate it, man. Brand X DD audio. What port size? Is that an 8?
It's 10.
10, okay. Nice. Kaos Customz. All right. All right, you have a good day, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.